So, are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Scotto, and I like to do videos on luxury, unboxings, hauls, product reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, please hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all our new subbies, and thank you for liking and watching all my videos. I greatly appreciate it. But for today's video, it is going to be a Gucci holiday packaging unboxing. So if you want to know what I got, then just keep on watching. So as you guys know, I had to get my Louis Vuitton holiday packaging, but I couldn't leave Gucci out. I've been loving Gucci for like the past year now, and I had to get something from their collection, but it's something that I've been wanting for a long time. But that they also had the holiday packaging as well, which I always love. So beautiful. My first packaging was last year when they had like the pink bag with the gold detailing on it. I don't remember exactly, but yeah. So this year they were like above and beyond, and their packaging is so beautiful. It has palm trees, and it just like every time you turn the bag, it like it's iridescent, I want to call it, but it's so beautiful. So here is the packaging. It has palm trees everywhere, and it's just so beautiful. And the Gucci has the gold, it's gold colored, so if you can see that. But yeah, it is so beautiful. For this piece, I've been wanting for such a long time. I tried it on about, I want to say 2 months ago, and I couldn't stop thinking about it. So I texted my essay, and she said like get them before, I kind of gave it, I just said them, but she's like, get them before the holiday comes along, because they sell out quickly once, you know, the holidays come along. And yeah, so I was like, I have to get them now. I couldn't stop thinking about them, and every outfit that I would throw on, I'd be like, oh, those would look good with this outfit, or these would look good with this outfit. So I was just like, I'll just get them. I'm not gonna stop thinking about them. So I took the plunge. So without further ado of me rambling, let's just get on with this unboxing. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm taking the ribbon off the bag. Here is the box. Okay, got it. So this is the classic Gucci box. I love Gucci boxes. I think they're my favorite luxury box. I just think it's so chic and so simple, but also beautiful. And I love the texture of it. It has like this rigid texture on it, so I love it. But yeah, I have to admit something. I did wear these a couple times because I wanted to break them in a little bit, because I wanted to wear them to a Thanksgiving party. So I got these before Thanksgiving, and yeah, so I wanted to break them in, and I wore them on Thanksgiving. So they're very comfortable. So I tried to manage putting it as pretty as it came, but you know, that never works out. So taking the ribbon off like that, and taking the box, opening it. Okay, that's the top. Okay. So are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh. I'll show you one at a time. It's gonna stay. Okay. That was a close one. So I love how like Gucci, their shoes come in like these little bags. I just love that because I like storing them back in the bag. Every time I wore these, I put them back in the bag and I restuffed them. So this is the shoe. And sorry, but I do not remember the name of these. I can't remember. But this is the shoe. It has the Gucci logo on it. And it's like this off-white color. It may look whiter on camera because of the lighting, but it is like a off-white. And I just think they're so pretty. And they're so like simple that it can go with anything that you wear. You could dress them up, you could dress them down, and that's what I love about luxury shoes. If I'm gonna be spending money on a luxury pair of shoes, then I want it to make sure that I can wear it with everything that I wear. So yeah, so this is this side of the shoe. This is the other side of the shoe. The top of the shoe, they're like these, they look chunky, but they don't feel chunky. Like when you wear them, they don't feel chunky and big and like heavy like my Balenciagas. Those are heavy, but they're also very chunky. But these are chunky but not heavy. Does that make sense? I hope so. But okay, so the cool part about it is that bottom has like this star detailing on it. They're a little dirty because like I said, I did wear them a couple times. And then there's the Gucci print right there. And then on the tongue of the shoe, it says Gucci. So I think these are very, very cool. Let me show you the second pair. So again, it comes in this beautiful, not beautiful, but it comes in with the wrapping. And like I said, I love that. But here's the other shoe, side by side. So there is the Gucci logo on the other side, and then the inner side of the shoe, and then the bottom and the top. It also has the Gucci logo on the tongue of the shoe, and also in the inside. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it says Gucci made in Italy. One thing I have to say is that I don't like how luxury shoes come with like just normal laces. I feel like they could do a better job at providing more laces that are going to be sustainable, if that makes sense. But it's whatever. Sorry, my dad came in and I'm in their room currently because I'm trying to figure out my like filming area. But like my parents' room, they have like this hallway and it's like all white. So when I put the light and all the white walls, it makes it very bright and like I just like it. But yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so here's the shoes, and then I'm gonna show you what comes in the box. Like I said, it comes with these plastic wraps to cover the shoes. Not only that, but it came with this like those things that come in, I don't know how to say, I don't know what they're called. Also then a responsibility card and extra laces. Yes, I love when luxury shoes come with extra laces. It says Gucci on it. And then two beautiful Gucci dust bags. These are so soft and silky, and I love how it comes with two pairs of dust bags. My Balenciagas did not. They only came with one dust bag. Kind of don't like that, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so that is my Gucci holiday packaging unboxing. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you guys have any comments or video ideas or any questions, leave them down in the comments. And yeah, I love making these videos. I'm so happy and like, oh gosh, I love like making videos and creating content for you guys, and I love getting a response back, and I love your comments and new subscribers every day, and it just makes me so happy because it's such a rewarding feeling when you're like putting so much effort into something and getting like feedback, knowing that someone is appreciating it, like, if that makes sense. So yeah, I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name here. Bye guys.